I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start on the Linux machine. Install a lightweight desktop and an RDP-compatible server such as XRDP, or choose VNC if you prefer. Once done, enable and start the service so it runs at boot. Make sure the user account you'll use has a password and can log into the GUI locally. Finally, open ports. Confirm SSH 22 and RDP 3389 or your VNC port through the firewall and, if needed, configure your router's port forwarding. Now secure and finalize the server. If you must access from outside your LAN, tunnel the RDP or VNC connection over SSH rather than exposing ports directly. This protects credentials and session data. Configure XRDP to launch the desktop session you installed and fix any permission or authority issues. Restart the service after changes. Then test connectivity from another Linux or VM on the same network. To confirm the remote on Windows, launch Remote Desktop, MSDSC for XRDP, or open your VNC client and enter the Linux host and port. If you chose SSH tunneling, create a local tunnel in POO-TTY mapping a local port to the remote RDP or VNC port and connect to localhost, local port. Enter your Linux credentials and you should see the desktop. If it fails, check the Linux service status, firewall rules, and logs such as /var/log/xrdp. Log for permission or session errors and adjust accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.